And this book kind of takes you back to the basics of it. You know, looking at the basics of respect and working together, cooperating, collaborating with your children and understanding them. Just like, you know, we are Focused Healthy Family, our focus is on respectful, collaborative, conscious parenting. And so this book kind of takes it in the real basics. It's very hands-on and day-to-day of interacting with your kids. You know, you can read a lot of books that talk about parenting theory and ideas, but this is just very practical. The examples are a little outdated, but they're, you know, you can apply them to modern situations, and of course some ideas are just timeless as far as interactions with kids and challenges you encounter.
Well, it's just been powerful for both of us. I mean, you've used it, I think, longer than I have. It took a while for me to, I guess, understand it and start using it, but watching you constantly, you know, using these approaches, and not always working the best. It didn't always go perfectly. I hear other parents talk about teens, and they're rebellious, or they don't talk to them, or they don't, you know, and I feel like we've got a relationship now with our kids where they're free to come and talk to us just about anything, which it's almost overpowering for us because we weren't brought up that way.
And with, you know, our teens still can be moody, and and that's a challenging component of it.
Well, I remember with Jason, that it was interesting that when he was talking to his friends online, and one friend of his, one friend especially, they got angry with each other, and I was able to talk with Jason and kind of coach him through how they may talk to communicate, and then to listen to them. One day I was in my office and I could overhear them talking, and Jason said to her, you know, your friendship is very important to me, so I really want to work this out. That just warmed my heart, because it meant that Jason knew how to communicate to settle a situation, and it really worked out.
So yeah, by being that example and working with your kids, you know, on these ideas, you can start to see them using the skills.
You gotta learn from it. If you don't get it,